Right now, the new variant of COVID-19 is spreading fast, putting everyone at higher risk of the disease and placing huge pressure on the NHS. COVID-19 is now spreading up to 70% faster than at its peak last year. The R number is as high as 1.4 in some parts of the UK. That's really shocking because it means the virus can infect many more people at a much faster rate. In certain parts of the country, more than 1 in 30 people are now infected with the virus. If you think about what that means, in a street with just a couple of hundred people living on it, at least 6 people could have COVID-19. On a person's social media account, 11 of their followers would have COVID-19. Or if you're a football fan, that's 3,000 seats at Wembley Stadium, this whole section behind the goal. Worse still, around 1 in 3 people with COVID-19 don't have any symptoms, so it's easy to pass on to others without knowing. So every time you go outside, you can spread coronavirus, which means more people will need hospital treatment and sadly more people will die. What can we do to combat this deadly virus? Stay at home. Only go out if it's absolutely essential. If you have to leave home, wear your face mask, keep a safe distance and wash your hands. We all need to play our part. Stick to the rules to stop the spread. Vaccines are giving us hope for the future, but the rising infection rate requires action now. Stay home, protect the NHS, save lives.